Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Crosse Technology V22-WRTHv2 Wi-Fi Professional Weather Station User Manual. Specifications. Quick setup. Quick mounting tips. Button functions. Weather station icons. Connect to the Crosse View App. Having trouble connecting? Benefits of connecting to Crosse View. Advanced forecast and chance of precipitation. AccuWeather helo temperatures. Prevailing wind direction. Custom data streams. Status messages when connected. Features of your weather station. Settings menu order. Wind speed readings and history. Viewing order. Sensor search. Delete sensors. Low battery indicators. Low battery by outdoor temperature, replace batteries in the TH sensor. Low battery by wind, replace batteries in the wind sensor. Low battery by rain, replace batteries in the rain sensor. Low battery by indoor temperature, Replace batteries in the station. Low battery by extra sensor. Replace batteries in extra sensor. Warnings. Wireless connectivity. Connect to your Wi-Fi network for easy access to weather data on your smartphone or tablet. Temperature and humidity. Monitor indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity levels. Barometric pressure. Track changes in atmospheric pressure to predict weather trends. Wind speed and direction. Measure wind speed and direction for accurate weather forecasts. Rain gauge. Track rainfall accumulation over time. Solar radiation. Measure the intensity of sunlight for gardening or solar energy applications. Moon phase. Display the current moon phase and illumination percentage. Troubleshootings. Connectivity issues. Ensure Wi-Fi connection and restart devices. Sensor problems. Check batteries, placement, and interference. Data and accuracy. Calibrate sensors, consider location, and check wind sensor placement. App issues. Update the app, check permissions, and clear the cache. Power supply issues. Check the power cord and backup battery. Sensor range. Verify distance and obstructions. External factors. Consider weather conditions and electromagnetic interference. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.